How to download Vimeo video on Chrome. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can download the Vimeo video on Chrome. So if you are downloading Vimeo videos directly through Chrome, which can be a tricky since many videos are protected by copyright. However, if you have permission to download a video or it's a video that you have uploaded, here's the process how you can do that. First of all, you have to go to any of the browser you want, or you can go to your Google Chrome here, and you have to search for the vimeo.com on your search bar. Once you have searched for the vimeo.com, and you will be directed to this page and you have to sign into your account. After that, you have to navigate to the video that you want to download. So here you can see the recent video that you have uploaded. Also, you can go for the upload option and upload the video. So here you have to look for the download button below the video. So here you can see the three dot. You have to just tap on that. Once you have tap on that, so this option is available if the video owner has allowed the download. So here you can see that the download option is here. So you have to just tap on the download option and you have to choose your desired video quality and click on the download option. So here you can see your quality option and just go for the download here. You have to just tap on this drop down menu. So after that, you can easily download the Vimeo videos on your Chrome like this. After that, you have to tap on the three dot option which is on the top right corner of the screen. Just go for the download and you can successfully download your video here from your Vimeo. So this is the simple step how you can download the Vimeo video on your Chrome. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.